In earlier lectures, we have created RKP, the new company we have created in earlier lectures. You see that date of last entry, no voucher entered. Now we have to learn to create ledgers. You can create ledgers from the masters. You can create ledgers from account info or quick setup. Now we are creating ledgers from account info. Okay. You can create group or ledgers. Many groups already created. You can see that you can display. This is a group already created: capital account, loans, current liabilities. These are major headings under which we are creating ledgers. For example, in capital account you can enter the name of partner Ramesh Pandey under capital account. These are primary headings: loans, current liability, fixed asset, investment, current assets. Okay, these groups are already created by the Tally programmer. Now we have to create escape. We have to create ledger. For example, ledger. We are creating ledgers. You can create ledger. You want to create single ledger or multiple ledger. In single ledger you can create, for example, Ramesh debtors. Under which head? Ramesh is debtor. You have to under what? Under sundry debtors. Maintain balance bill by bill. Yes. Default credit period 30 days. Ramesh debtor address. You have to write address. These are important to enter the address, because when you are going to file VAT return and other things, this address and information is required. Contact person, because when you are applying for C form you have to write contact person name and his telephone number or mobile number. What? Email ID is also compulsory for C form application in VAT. Therefore, mention all the details which is mentioned on the invoice which you are issuing. You have to collect the data from Ramesh, his address, his mobile number, contact person, email ID, and all other information required. You can also collect bank name, PAN number, cell tax number. This ledger is created. Before that, always when you are created the company, you have to see on the right hand side there is F11 and F12. F11 is the features, what features you require for the accounting. First you see that company features, accounting, strategy and taxation, audit features, tally net features, add-on features. In accounting features, income expense statement instead of P&L. If you required income and expense means you are non-profit organizations, then you can yes, or otherwise no. Multi-currency, if you are doing business all over the world or more than one country, then you can say yes, otherwise no. Maintain bill-wise details, yes. Non-trading account also means from where you are not trading any goods. For that you are also want bill-wise detail. For example, labor issuing bill to you. For that you want to maintain bill wise data, you can select yes. Interest calculation, this is advanced, we can learn afterwards. Payroll and other things. Invoicing, yes. Enter purchase in invoice format, yes. Debit credit notes, we will see later on. Enable check printing, yes. Alter banking features, yes. Alter list of transaction type. ATM, yes, we require. Card, no. ECS, yes. Yes, everything is yes. All banks. Allow zero valued entries. Means any you given free samples, then there is reduction in stock, but value may be zero. Enable company logo. If you want to insert your company logo, you can say yes, and you have to control alt V, paste your company logo path over here. You have selected no, completed. Taxation part, value added, yes, yes. Maharashtra regular. Return code, you have to write form number 231. STO, Nalasopara. Authorized person, Ramesh. Designation, proprietor. Place, Bhayandar. Certificate number you have to write. You have to write date on which certificate is issued to you. If service tax is applicable, say yes, otherwise no. For example, service tax is also applicable, then yes, yes. You have to write service tax number, date of registration, your firm, local authority, association, artificial judicial person, or what? We are individual person, proprietary. Accrual basis or realization, we are maintaining our records on accrual basis. Enable service tax round up, yes. Assessee code, you have to write your assessee code. Premises code, no. Here you have to write, it is mentioned on the certificate part. When you register for the service tax registration number, then there is code and name, division code and name, and commissionerate code and name. LBT, TDS. It is important that you have to know the TDS provisions. TDS detail, yes. Head office 10 number not applicable. 10 registration number same. Income tax what circle? Government no others. Is proprietary firm yes. Designation proprietor. SIN number it is corporate identity number. We are individual it is not applicable. Everything is completed. Audit features is not applicable. Okay. Now we are skip the button. Now back accounting info ledger create. Earlier we are created single ledger, now we are creating multiple ledger. Under which group? Sundry data. Rahul DRS. Rajesh DRS. Debtors. You can go and alter also. Yes. Now you can see that we have not entered their address, which is mandatory you have to enter, because in future it is required for you at any time, any point of time it may be required to you. For that you have to write all the information. Service provider or receiver. Now Rahul is yes, you have to return, you have to type his service tax number. TDS yes. Deducti type. Rahul is individual resident. You have to write his address, state, pin code, contact person and other details, which is compulsory. PAN number. Now we are going to create creditors. Sundry creditors yes. Service provider yes. You have to write registration number and detail. TDS applicable yes. For it is also individual. You have to write all the details which is necessary. PAN number. VAT detail if it is applicable. Now it is private limited company. Yes. Yes, you have to write registration number. Yes, now it is company and resident of India. Address, his PAN number. Rahul, Ram, also creditors from where we are purchasing goods. Means no TDS, no service tax is applicable to him. You have to write VAT detail of that client. Interstate or registered, local. Same. Now all ledgers and other things are created. Now we have to insert vouchers detail. Now one session is over. Thank you very much all of you.